5 most common reasons why your business is losing customers to competition. No matter how hard you try to deliver the best services and experiences that money can buy, there's always a chance that you'll experience a drop in sales from time to time. That's why businesses spend so much time and money on optimizing their sales processes. The sad truth is that in the current landscape, only around 13% of customers are loyal to a specific brand. However, it's not just high prices that might drive your customers into the arms of your competition. Here are just some of the issues to be aware of. 1. Your customer service isn't great. A great marketing campaign will drive customers to your door, but you still need to figure out a successful way of interacting with those clients when they arrive. In a world obsessed with experience, your clients are more concerned about the service that they get today than ever before. Many customers say that it's the service, not the price, of your product that drives loyalty. So, how do you know if something isn't right with your customer service? A good option is to pay attention to the reviews and testimonials that your customers leave. Your sales team and the online environment should also be able to give you some insights into what your customers are saying about you. If your customers say that they're sick of waiting in call queues for answers to their questions or wish you had a live chat function, you know where to start. 2. You're behind the curve? Wherever you look, changes in customer preferences are pushing brands to offer new services, features, and even price points. If you fall behind your competitors in terms of what you can offer, then it's no wonder your audience are looking elsewhere for what they need. To make sure you're not lagging behind other brands in your industry, keep your finger on the pulse. If you like this content, be sure to click on the subscribe button below. If you enjoy reading, I wrote a book. It's about the forgotten fundamentals of marketing, The Golden Toilet by Steve Brown. Get it today on Amazon, https://amazon.to/3bj8v7. 3. Your sales process is clunky. Our convenient mobile landscape means that your clients expect a more straightforward and streamlined experience wherever and whenever they interact with a brand. If you fail to deliver that, you're going to miss out on sales. Begin by looking for the product you sell and making sure that your customers can find you online. After that, go through the sales experience, click on a product, add it to cart, and enter your payment details. If your product isn't e-commerce, ask a trusted third party, like an honest friend, to go through the process with you as if they were a customer. Is the experience consistent from marketing to sales? Take a deep and hard look at your sales methods and how they align with your customer profile. If you need help with updating your sales process, the good news is that there are lots of books and resources out there to give you some inspiration. 4. You aren't delivering on your promises. It doesn't matter whether you're selling physical products or digital services. Every company makes a promise to its customers to provide high-quality experiences. If you're not giving your customers what they expect, then they're going to leave you in favor of someone who can. Look at the things that you currently promise your audience. If you can't deliver the same outcomes and conveniences that your competitors can, it might be time to figure out why. 5. You're easily forgotten. Finally, one of the most common reasons that businesses lose clients today is that they're not constantly reminding those customers of their value. If your competitors have social media marketing campaigns and excellent content online, they're engaging with your customers. The more your clients see your competitor offering value online, the more they'll forget about you. To compete in today's cluttered landscape, you need to prove that you can offer something beyond your product or service. Don't lose customers to competitors. As a business leader, you won't always be able to hold on to every customer. However, Having the right marketing and sales strategies in place can ensure that you lose less of your audience to your competition. Use the 5 insights above to make sure that you're not missing out on opportunities to build a valuable relationship with your target audience. Remember, excellent customer experience, proven sales strategies, and an authentic brand will boost your chances of more sales in the long run. Get and keep happy customers with a business growth stack.